Dun, 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 dun. Hey, why are you here? You're not supposed to be here. Who are you? Oh, hi there, Mom and Dad. Hey, I'm not your mom and dad. I hate you. I hope you burn to fire. Why? You hate me. I'm supposed to love you, but why? I don't care. You're not supposed to be here. I hate you. You're worst. Dun, 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 dun. Hi, idiot. Wait, I'm not. I'm lonely. Wait. 3 years later. Okay, now it's time to how to fly, my 4 siblings. Okay, I will fly. I know how to. You next. So, don't be lazy or you will be punished. Oh, okay. Hey, who is that? Let's get him down. No. Oh no, my broken legs. Oh no, I'm broken. Hey, you fall! You're not supposed to be jumped. Hey, you punish me. Three years later again. Dun, 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 dun. 3 years later. Time for translation. Let's real. I'm now powerful. Hey, you next. Okay. You cannot translation. Oh, I gotta translate. What's real? I'm not more powerful. I'm gonna prove to them. He's so mean. He's gotta be powerless and weak. Let's go check. He's gonna be common, very common. Let's go to see. Hey, what are you doing? You translation. Hey, I'm a god, and you improve you. Why you bullying me? And this, blah blah blah. I'm sorry for your sins. I'm sorry for bullying you. What do you mean? Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for your sins. I was bullying you because no reason. Because I hate those people. Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for being bully you. Okay, fine. I will apologize. I will forgive you. Ding, ding.